back and let's continue about, losing weight or pumayat ako kahit kumakain pa rin ako ng rice. Alamin niyo kung bakit ako pumayat. Kumakain pa rin ako. Not totally that you don't have to eat rice in one day because you don't have to make your body change if your routine is you really want to into carbohydrates, but please do not change it abruptly or wag masyadong change immediately. You have to do it gradually so that your weight loss regimen, or like me, will be a successful one. So ito na guys, I will share with you about how did I lose weight. Pumayat ako, gamit ko yung asin.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be.
May mga tanong dyan kung okay ba sa kidney yung asin na ginagamit ko. Now, it's okay because it's just only a pinch and you need to drink more water. I need water, so I drink water again today. So, from this morning, I drink water, so today is lunchtime, so I need to drink another water. So, and if you drink a lot of water, that's the time that you have that bowel movement. And if you lose bowel movement, that's the time that you are, you need more water. And water again, and water, and water. So guys, ito na. Dagdagan ko siya ha. Para sa mga gustong pumayat dyan. Tulad ko kasi I really gained weight after giving birth. And my body is really big. And my pants and my clothes, I really did not buy clothes, a new one, because I really want to use my previous clothes. So, that's saving tips for me to save money also at the same time because makamura man tayo dito, di ba? Okay, so ito na guys. Di ba gusto niyo pumayat? Ito na. Now, for those who really want into rice or that's part of your meal, you can eat rice, but please choose the rice that are unpolished. Pag sinabi kong unpolished, ibig sabihin yung mga rice na organic, yung rice na brown rice, they are very effective. And please, if you're going to do that, if you're going to eat rice today, like 2 cups, then reduce it every day so that your body could adapt the change of the carbohydrates that you're going to intake. But then you can replace the rice. Instead of eating rice, the carbohydrates, you can replace it with sweet potato.
I have my meal today. This is my dinner. I have pork and this rice. I cook this one and I put a lot of water so that it will be sounds like lugaw. Lugaw, it's like like soup or like whatever do we call that. And I have this one, the mungo sprouts. Yeah, I just steam it with water, and I love sweet potato too. So this is my dinner for today.
I promise you guys, it will work in your body. I promise. This is a promise and it really works with me. Now, ito yung tanong. Now, nag-asin therapy ako. I mean, nagwo-water at saka asin therapy ako. It works for me. Every morning, I drink 3 glasses of water before I ate my meal. So it's a complete breakfast because I don't want also to feel dizzy. I need to be like, I need more energy, but I have in control of myself. How did I do that? Now, there are, like in my case, I really love food, eating those food, but my cravings are being minimized. The craving of food is being minimized. Now, what are the food that I include into my diet? Well, ito natandaan nyo guys ha, because this is based on my experience so that I lose weight. Sumisiksik kayo guys ha. Hindi kayo siksik ng laman. Siksik kayo sa kagandahan, di ba? Okay, na tayo dito. Huwag napakita yung mga buto-buto dito. Okay, so I included 5 food that would really, like change or control your craving to get more food. If your mouth is really into gulping and eating food, then you can control that. So I have 5 food that I will recommend you in your diet. So but number 1, I like eating okra. Okra is one of
꿈꿔온 여자친구 너
food that later on I found it's very helpful because the okra, the slimy portion of the okra that helps my body into, oh, this is quite good. The result is better and my bowel movement, it's faster. So I dispose twice a day. Oh, that's great. So you could have okra, you can steam it, and if you're going to eat okra, just a plain okra with no other condiments or no sauce on it, then you can eat that one. But then if you're going to eat okra, then you need to reduce the rice in your meal. So that probably would help you. The second food that I will recommend with you is the
and I go workers stay on bold pop and I kick
sprouts. I like eating mungo sprouts. Do you know why? Because it's a sprout and it's a lot of fiber. We need fiber in the body, guys. So please eat those food. I will recommend you mungo sprout. It's just cheaper, or you can get some mungo and put in water and it will grow and make a sprouts. So you can do that. And another one, guys, is the talong. You know what? The story of talong, yeah, the kind of watery that would cleanse into your body. Then therefore, you will lose weight right now. So talong, you could boil it with water and don't put any sauce, just a plain talong. Then please include that one in your meal. And another one is, oh my god, my baby is crying. Nuts. I love eating nuts, but you have to be careful of the nuts that you're going to have. I like eating nuts, so I like peanuts, the steam, and not so oily nuts, and I like cashew nuts, and what else? This is the nuts I recommend to you that would include into your diet. And another one, tofu. I like eating tofu. So tofu is a replacement of meat. And instead of eating meat, gusto kong kumain ng meat. Then therefore you can use tofu as a replacement of your weight. Ito yung makukuha natin sa tofu. Okay? So guys, please be on diet right now. You can lose. Trust me, pumayat ako. Plus asin at saka tubig.
I love mushrooms. Oh my god. What?
Ito na. Ayun. Promise. Promise. Hey guys, ito pa yun oh. This one is additional in your diet. I have mushroom. So, pwede siya kainin. Actually, napagod. Nasunog yung mushroom. Well, this is one of the things I've eaten. Mushroom. Masarap yung mushroom, di ba? Kapag walang mushroom, mag-mushroom. And I also eat this. The nuts. We called it in Japanese natto. Natto, and I put some wasabi, and wasabi super like that. So, additional in your diet. Super spicy. Ito yung mukha ninyo kapag kumakain kayo ng wasabi. Actually, I can feel the spicy, the hot inside, and it goes to my nostril and goes outside on my nose, from nasal going outside. It's really super. It's not spicy, the wasabi, but you know, it feels like you are eating a menthol. Oh, I don't know. Eucalyptus? No, it's not eucalyptus actually. But this is how you look like if you eat wasabi. Sorry sa buhok ko. Because I'm just here in the kitchen.